If you want constant access to your calendar, then you might want to install the calendar extension. So calendar extension is supported in Chrome and Chromium based browsers. So I'm using Google Chrome right here, so it's not a problem. And even if you were to use any other Chromium based browsers, then it'll work perfectly fine. So to do that, first of all, you need to go to Chrome Web Store. So this is the address you need to type, chrome.google.com/webstore, and then you'll get right here. So over here, I'm going to type in Google Calendar. So once I do that, I can search out the extension that I have right here. So once you do that, here you can see that you got different extensions that you can install. Let's say, for example, there's Checker Plus for Google Calendar, which lets you see your next events and get meeting notifications and so forth without actually opening up Google Calendar. There's different Google Calendar extensions that you can install as well. So in my case, I'm going to install Checker Plus itself, and here I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. Once I do that, you have to click on Add Extension, and then the extension will be added out right here. So there you go. So here what you have to do is you have to go around on, and then there's Checker Plus. Let me just spin it out right here. I can close this out. And over here, it's not synced up yet. So first of all, you need to sign in with Chrome or sign in with Google. So you can choose either way right here. I'm just going to go sign in with Google, select my account right here, and it asks me whether Checker Plus can manage Google Calendar. So I'm going to click on allow, and let's see what happens. So it says secure authentication right here. So it's loading up right here. And then now you'll be able to see Google Calendar right here. If I were to go around right here, all the calendar events will be synced up. And without actually opening up Google Calendar, you can simply click here now. You can see all the events right here. You can go back and forth right here, access out the calendar, create out new event as well, just like by typing right here. And all the settings, like most of the settings right here are there. You even have pop-out settings right here, which allows you to actually open up the extension in a new tab right here as well. So you can see that this is quite neat. You can go around right here. There's like event options. There's like things like skins and themes that you can choose as well, as you can see. So that is how you can actually work around with, as you can see. So that is how you can work around and then utilize and install calendar extension inside of your browser for Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.